A very good morning to all my dear students. So today we will continue with our exercise 8.2. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed the long vacation of 3 days. So now let's get back to studies. So we were doing exercise 8.2 in which 3 word problems were remaining. So one by one we'll just go through it, okay? So the first one of today is today's question, which is question number 8, is in a city there are total 15,000 voters, okay? And out of these 60% of the voters actually voted and remaining voters did not vote because it is not compulsory, it is a responsibility, but everyone does not take it seriously. So only 60% of people voted. So the question is, what percentage of voters did not vote and what is the actual number of voters who did not vote? Okay. So first of all, I have done this here. So percentage of voters who did not vote is, it will be 100 minus 60 because you know total percentage is always 100. सो 60% वोटेड. सो जिन्होंने वोट नहीं किया वो हैं टोटल में से माइनस 60 विच इज़ 40%. Now you have two options. Actually I did this last, so you have two options. You can directly calculate the actual number of voters as 40% of 15,000. I have done it in the other way. So actual number of people who voted, first I have calculated that. So it will be 60% of 15,000. And whenever you have to convert this percentage, you have to divide it by 100 into fraction. Then you have to divide it by 100. So 60 upon 100 into 15,000. So 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here will cancel each other. 15 6 are 90 and 2 zeros. So 9,000 people actually voted out of 15,000. So how many did not vote? That will be 15,000 minus 9,000. So 6,000 people. तो टोटल वोटर्स थे आपके पास 15,000. उसमें से 60% पीपल वोटेड एंड 40% पीपल डिड नॉट vote. And actual number of persons who voted is 9,000 and the actual number of persons who did not vote is 6,000. So you can just cross check it. 9 plus 6 will give you 15. So this way we have done the 8th question. Now 9th question is, there's a girl Meeta. She saves 4,000 rupees from her salary. Okay, so she saves 4,000. Whatever salary she gets every month, she saves 4,000 from that. And this salary in percentage is 10%. So basically you can say that she saves 10% of her salary. Okay, so first of all we will let her total salary as rupees X because we have to calculate this only. So this will be X. Now 10% of the total salary is 4,000. Okay, 10% salary she saves. So 10% of X is 4,000. I hope all of you have understood this equation. And then again you have to convert this percentage into fraction. So it will become 10 upon 100 into X. It will give you 4,000. Then you have to transpose the equation. Okay, so X will remain on left hand side. 10 upon 100 will go to right hand side. Before just transposing it, you can cancel also. I have not cancelled because I have cancelled over here. So one and the same thing. So 4,000 into 100 upon 10. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So the answer is 40,000. That means her actual salary is 40,000, out of which she saves 10%, which is 4,000 in the actual amount. So this way you have to understand the word problems and you have to do the word problems. Now we'll see the last question of the exercise. So now you can see this is the last question of the exercise, which is a local cricket team played total 20 matches. Okay, total कितने matches play किए? 20. Out of these 20, they win 25% of the matches. So how many matches they win in actual? So the number of matches they win is 25% of 20. So which will be 25 upon 100 into 20. So this is just the cancellation. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled, 2 5s are 10. So remaining is 25 upon 5, which is again 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 5 matches the team is winning. Okay, so this is the end of your exercise 8.2. Now few topics I'll just explain you which you have to go through, so that tomorrow when we will just start the exercise, it will be easy for us to understand. So the next topic is ratio to percent. So what is ratio to percent? Whenever some ratios are given to you, you have to calculate. For example, ratio of A to B is 3:2. So what is the percentage of A? This is actually business में use होता है, shareholders, okay? And A's percent is 3, B's share is 2. So how to calculate the percentage? It will be, if you are calculating for A, suppose, so 3 upon 3 plus 2, the total, which is 5, into 100. So it will be 3 upon 5 into 100%, which is 60%. That means the A's share is 60%, and then you can calculate easily B's share, and no need to calculate for 2 again. You know, total percentage is 100. So B's share will be 100 minus 60, which is 40%. Okay, but when the ratio is given between 3 people or 4 people, then you have to calculate for each. So these are the things we are going to solve in the exercise, then you will be more clear. Then you have increase or decrease percent, and percentage increase is given by the formula amount of change. जो भी आपका increment होता है या decrement होता है, it will come in the numerator. The original amount will come in the denominator into 100. So percentage will come. Then you are familiar with the terms SP, CP, selling price, cost price. Okay, selling price is the amount at which we are selling something, and cost price means when the cost or the amount at which we are purchasing something. Then comes profit, loss, all these things you are always already familiar with. Then you have principal, rate, time, simple interest, and the formula for simple interest is principal into rate into time upon 100. Okay, so you have to go through all these things so that it will be easy for you to understand the exercise. So that's all for today. Thank you.